My name's Sam and I'm an apprentice carpenter and I've been in the construction industry for about 2 years. I always knew that I wanted to do a trade of some sort. I used to work in admin and that really wasn't for me. Definitely prefer to be more hands-on, and the more I looked, the further I got more interested in carpentry. I think diversity is so important in a workplace purely because it just adds so many more personalities. It's a motivation every day to come to work and it's not the same. Whether or not you're doing the same job, every day is different. If you're a girl and you're worried about stepping your first foot in, it's really not that big of a deal, and the guys are so much more accepting than what you're making it out to be. My advice is you miss 100% of the opportunities that you don't take, so if you want to do it, just do it. There's literally nothing wrong with just having a crack.